Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Chiayi City's Baozhong Yiming Temple is a religious center for Hakka people. Each year, the temple hosts 3 main religious ceremonies. All the ceremonies fall on dates based in the lunar calendar. The temple's Ghost Month ceremony is the most important ceremony for Hakka people living in the Yunlin, Chiayi, and Tainan areas and is a colorful, vibrant, and exciting expression of religious belief.
位在嘉义市的宝中义民庙是客家人的信仰中心，每年举行3次的祭典，分别是农历3月的春祭、农历9月的秋祭、农历7月的普渡。其中义民节普渡是云嘉南地区客家人一年中最重要的庆典。
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿炳哥 Leo。
大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and today I want to talk about something that I know that the people here in Taiwan, especially the Hakka, like to celebrate and happens next month. Okay, it's a spiritual ceremony that happens once a year, and it's huge, especially amongst the Hakka. 义民节怎么说？
义民节
That's right, 义民节。
义民节算係客家人當中一個節日咯。不過特別都會有一個前日20時節大家就會吃太祖來慶祝一個節日。
吃太祖，吃什麼東西嗎？
不是，是殺大豬。
神豬比賽，殺大豬。That's right. Okay, so this happens 7月20號，農曆7月20號。So it happens based on the lunar calendar, 7th month, the 20th day, and this spiritual ceremony requires a lot of festivities, including the spiritual pig competition.
也就會看每年嘅主位親皮親獎。
親皮親獎
就是最肥最漂亮。
Okay, so the fatter the pig is, the better it is, the more chances it's going to win this competition. Really interesting. And then you guys also have 3 different animals that you present to the gods too, right?
冇錯，三牲就包括有像人家講到嘅豬誒，
豬嘛，
羊誒。
羊誒，
再來就會給吃太陽雞，
是什麼雞？
大煙雞。
大煙雞。So after they thank the gods with these animals, of course, it's time to eat them and have a lot of great delicacies from it. Let's go ahead and review these terms. 義民節, the spiritual ceremony.
義民節.
And then 有這個神豬比賽.
神豬比賽.
That's the pig competition. And the 3 major animals that they use to thank the gods are pig, 豬誒. The lamb, 羊誒. And finally, the chicken, 雞誒. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.